Today I will evaluate the limit. Limit x tends to 0, integration from 0 to x square sine of root over t dt divided by x cube. If you want to try yourself, please do pause the video here, and if you want to join and follow us, then check out the Chop and Solve in Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter, and also check the description link. Thank you. Now we have to know the Leibniz rule. The Leibniz rule says that if you derivative with respect to x of integration from gx to fx psi t dt gives the result psi of fx into first derivative of fx minus psi of gx into first derivative of gx. Now you have to remember that first derivative of fx and gx should exist, and also you have to know about the L'Hospital rule, 0 by 0 form, infinity by infinity form, when we can apply the L'Hospital rule. So here we apply the L'Hospital rule because it is clearly 0 by 0 form. So using L'Hospital rule, we have to make derivative with respect to x in denominator and numerator for both. So in the denominator it becomes 3x square, and now in numerator we have to apply the Leibniz rule. Using that Leibniz rule, we can write limit x tends to 0 sine root over x square, that is mod x into 2x, derivative of x square is 2x. So now it becomes limit x tends to 0 to sine mod of x divided by 3x. Now we have to check that this limit exists or not. So limit, left hand limit, and for that we have to write limit x tends to 0 minus 2 sine of mod x divided by 3x equal to 2 sine of minus x divided by 3x, that is minus 2 by 3, because x is negative. For x negative, the mod x function gives that minus x. This straightforward. And right hand limit, similarly we can find that it is 2 by 3. You have to know that the limit exists when the right hand limit and left hand limit are same, otherwise it does not exist. So we can tell that limit does not exist. Thank you. For 900 plus subscribers, stay healthy, stay safe, stay tuned, and keep watching. If you have any doubt regarding any kind of math problem, so feel free to tell and fill out the form which is in the description link, and also do feel free to discuss about the problem, or how do you think about this problem, or any kind of problem we discuss in this channel. Thank you.